Hey you guys, just wanted to show you how Canvas works. I've gotten a lot of feedback from parents and students, and I think this is where we're getting stuck. So for math, you're going to go to Canvas and you're going to click on your math class. If you can't find your math class here, you do need to go to courses, click on courses, and then hit all courses. And you want the one that says Secondary Math 2S second semester. Put a little star by that guy and it will bring it up in your dashboard. This is your dashboard here. So if you can't find it, that's where you need to go. All right, clicking on here, this will now show you where you need to go. So week 1 is done. Don't even look at week 1. We've done that all. I have sorted all of my lessons by week. So like the week 1, we were out of school, and then the week 2, and then week 3. So if you're a little bit behind, that's fine. Just you do need to start at week 2. So week 2, if you click on week 2 expectations, it does tell you exactly what you need to do for the week. So it tells you you need to do 9.1 and 9.2 by the end of the week. And what that means here is you need to, if you have your note guides, the geometry note guides, if you have them at home, use them to take notes in. If you don't, go down to the lesson. So in this lesson, in every single 9.1, 9.2, all the way to 9.6 lessons, I have made videos myself and I have filled out guided notes for you as well. So here are my notes, and then here are my videos. All these videos you can watch, and they go through the notes in your note guides. I also have blank notes. I will put it in 9.1 in just a little bit, but I have a blank page, so if you need to print out the notes, or you can write the notes on a separate sheet of paper. And then 9.1 intro, it intros 9.1 using your notes. And then shows you how to do the examples in there, just like how we did in class with our note guides. Same thing. Okay, so after you're done with this one, you can go down and hit next. And then here is the questions. Here you can ask me any question you might have. So if you notice here, I did get someone emailed me and asked me a question on 9.1 number 6 on the homework and big ideas. So the homework and big ideas here, I answered 9.1 number 6. That's the only one I answered. So now if you hit next, you can hit next. Now we go to the second lesson, 9.2. Again, here, if you click on these notes, it'll download a PDF for you, and it looks like this. These are pages from our note guides. So here's a page from our note guide. And here is the notes. Here's how to do number 1. Here's how to do number 2. And then my videos go along with these notes. So I'd watch the videos before opening this up. I think that would help you more. So here's 9.2. And now if you click on a video, it's going to pull it up here and we'll go through it together. So I did want to show you that. And then again, homework will be on big ideas again. So now 9.2, same thing. You can ask me questions 9.2. This is how all the modules are set up, or all the lessons are set up. So it goes lesson, where you take notes, and then you try out the homework, and then you go to the questions to post any questions on the homework you may have. And I do limit the homework on big ideas to very little. Yeah, and then that's about it. So if you do have any questions after that, please let me know. We can walk through it. I can set up online videos. So week 2, week 3, and then these right here are little quizzes that you need to do. This is a quiz you need to take. And again, it tells you that in the week 3 expectations. The expectations means what you need to get done that week. So you view the week 3 expectations and it will tell you exactly what you need to get done that week. And same thing, week 4 is outlined the same way, week 5, and then week 6. After week 6, you get to week 6, you are 100% done with math for this year. So that is how this is going to work. Again, let me know if you have any questions.